Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to talk in party/all chat, how to type in party/all chat. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Make sure you guys watch the video up until the end. But anyways, if you guys want to go ahead and talk in or type in party chat/text chat, what you need to do is you need to press T. The default keybind should be T, and as you guys can see, you can see your party chat. Obviously, if I was to go into a normal game, then I would be able to switch it to all chat, I believe. But if you want to talk in party chat specifically, you can just go ahead and type in here. The default keybind should be T. And yeah, that should be pretty much it. I believe in game you do have to hit escape first and then go into type chat. But yeah, that should basically be it. You can also go ahead and change this keybind by, I believe, going over to audio. If it's not in audio, then it might just be in mouse and keyboard settings. Let's see. Yeah, no, it might be just in controls then. Or it's also possible that you're actually not even able to change the keybind. But yeah, I don't actually think you're able to change the keybind since it's very specific to get to. I believe you have to hit escape and then get to it. But other than that, yeah, that should be pretty much it. That is how to type in chat. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.